Today we are going to see how the Karnaugh map is used to reduce the Boolean function. The key words to understand this Karnaugh map is Boolean function, binary and decimal number system. If we understand Boolean function and binary and decimal number system, we can understand how the K-map is used to reduce the Boolean function. K-map is nothing but it is a graphical tool and it is used to reduce the Boolean function. For a Boolean function, the example is a bar b plus ab. This is in the form of SOP. SOP means sum of products. In sum of products, a bar b plus ab, in binary number system, we can represent this a bar b as 0, 1 and ab as 1, 1. And this can be reduced using the Boolean algebra. We can take b out and a bar plus b, which is equal to b. This is according to the complementary law. According to complementary law, a bar plus a is equal to 1 and a bar dot a is equal to 0. This means if we are giving value to a, if a is equal to 0, a bar is equal to 1. So a bar plus a means 1 plus 0, 1. Like that, if a is equal to 1 and a bar is equal to 0, a bar is nothing but it is a complement of a. So 1 dot 0 is equal to 0. This is nothing but complementary law. According to the complementary law, b of a bar plus a is equal to b. This is application of Boolean law to reduce the Boolean function. But this is a small expression. For bigger expressions, see, this expression contains two variables, a and b. Some 5 variable or 6 variable, if we are having in a Boolean function, then it is very tough to reduce the Boolean expression using this application. That means using this algebra. So we can go for the graphical tool called K-map to reduce the Boolean function. K-map, before going to the K-map, we should know the terms cell, pair, quad and octet. Cell is the basic unit of a K-map. Here I have drawn the 2 variable, 3 variable and 4 variable K-maps. 2 variable K-map, that means here there are 2 variables A and B. 2 variable K-map is like this. The single unit is named as cell. So cell is a basic unit of a K-map. And pair, pair means 2 adjacent cells are named as pair. Quad means 4 adjacent cells are named as quad. This is quad. Octet means 8 adjacent cells can be grouped as octet. That is called octet. Then let me see how the K-map is used to reduce the Boolean function. We can take the same function a bar b plus ab. This can be represented as summation of min terms 1, 3 also. This function can be written in truth table in this way. Decimal equivalent 0, 1, 2, 3. For 0, in 2 variables 0, 0 and 1 can be represented in a binary number. This is decimal and these two are binary number and this is my output. So 0 can be represented in binary as 0, 0. 1 can be represented as in binary 0, 1. 2 can be represented as 1, 0 and 3 can be represented as 1, 1. And for this function, summation of min terms 1, 3 means for 1 and 3, the output is 1. The output is 1. For others, the output is 0. So I have written the output value for 1 as 1 and for 3 also 1. So for this function, when we are not using Karnaugh map and we are using the Boolean algebra, the answer is B. How this B can be arrived using Karnaugh map? Let me see that. Okay. So here for 1 and 3, first cell, see the numbering is different in case of Karnaugh map. For 2 variable Karnaugh map, we have to number first cell as 0, 1, 2, 3. For 3 variable A, B, C, 3 variable, we can number the cell numbers like 0, 1, not 2, 3, 2, then 4, 5, 6, 7. Because Karnaugh map follows gray code. Karnaugh map follows gray code. That means there should be only one bit variation for the adjacent cells. For example, this is 0, 0, this is 0, 1, and if we are having 1, 0 here, 0 is changed to 1 and 1 is changed to 2. So there are 2-bit variations. 2-bit variations are not permitted. Okay, so we have to use 1, 1 here. So for the first cell, if I am representing the number, we have to post the numbers inside the cell. This cell is nothing but A bar B. This cell is equal to, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. So A bar, B bar. This is A bar B. And this is for A, B bar. And this is for AB. So, but we are not supposed to write A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B bar, A, B. This and all understood. And we have to post only the output values inside the cell. Okay. So, for this sum, I am going to draw the Karnaugh map like this. Say there are two variables A and B. Here B is equal to 0, B is equal to 1, A is equal to 0, A is equal to 1. That means A bar A, B bar B. Cell number at the corner I have to put 0, 1, 2 and 3. For 1 and 3 I am having 1 values. For 0 and 2 I am having zeros. And this is sum of products, so I have to group the ones. So if I am grouping ones, I have to group like this. Okay, so this is the example for pair. This is the example for pair. Pair is nothing but two adjacent cells in a Karnaugh map can be grouped as a pair, and pair will be used to reduce one variable. Pair will be used to reduce one variable. See here, if these two ones are grouped, we can understand A bar A will get cancelled and the answer is B alone. And the answer is B alone. So I am having a two variable, but my answer is B. So it is used to reduce one variable. See how the quad can be framed. I can go for three variable. I can go for three variable and I can explain how the quad is formed. Say for example, if I am having ones in this fashion, if I am having ones in this fashion, I can group these ones, for all others it is 0. That is summation of min terms 1, 3, 5, 7. So I can represent this 1, 3, 5, 7 as a quad. For this quad is equivalent to, for example, if I am writing in the expression, I have to write for this one A bar B bar C, and for this one A bar B C, and for this one A B bar C, and for this one it is A B C. And after writing all those four values, and I have to use the complementary law or etc., and I have to reduce that. But here in case of this, I can simply say the answer like A bar and A will get cancelled. Here B bar and B will get cancelled, and the answer for this quad is C alone. C alone. Okay. So C alone means this quad reduces two variables. A and B are not here. So this reduces two variables. Quad will reduce two variables. Pair will reduce one variable. And forming this pair, quad, this and all will follow certain rules. That certain rules are nothing but you can do overlapping. How overlapping is possible means, if I am having one here, I can form the pair like this. I can form a pair like this. So overlapping is allowed. Overlapping is allowed in case of Karnaugh map. Like that, scrolling is also allowed. Okay. So the Karnaugh map is used to reduce the Boolean function, and directly you can get the reduced expression. Thank you.